The sun, source of endless energy, it's able to produce enough energy in an hour to supply the whole planet for a year. Concentrated solar power plants can generate clean, uniform and stable energy 24/7. However, they are usually built in rural areas, and soiling affects their ability to create energy. For that reason, a regular and efficient mirror cleaning process is vital to obtain the best possible efficiency. The goal of Ecilimp, worldwide leaders in CSP cleaning, is to contribute to the thermal energy generation process by improving and maintaining the cleaning factor. We design custom-made strategies for each CSP plant, considering their cleaning needs and the factors that may increase the soiling. Bearing this, we customize the cleaning systems. Helios and Curve are the systems developed by Ecilimp to clean heliostats and parabolic trough collectors. Both systems can be equipped with spray and brushes cleaning tools in order to optimize the strategies in every moment. Cleaning tools are personalized for each project. This allows better adaptability and performance, reducing water consumption and maintaining the mirror's integrity. Helios and Curve's exclusive software, developed by Ecilimp, compiles data and sends it to a server connected to the cloud. There you can obtain detailed information about the cleaning job, such as maintenance checklists, vehicle performance KPIs, and a cleanliness record. Ecilimp offers clients a specific plan of cleaning, maintenance and monitoring for each project. This is all integrated under a unique service called Full O&M, which allows the client to focus on the rest of energy generation processes. With this comprehensive service, Ecilimp guarantees an outstanding and regular cleaning factor average at any concentrated solar power plant in the world. CSP has mastered the art of making the most of the sun. Our aim is to optimize its performance. Ecilimp, reliable services.